It's always important to stop and smell the clean, purified air. The Rosewill Air Purifier will take stuffy, stale, polluted air and make it clean again. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you spend a lot of time in a dark room with the blinds shut while you're gaming, you might want to consider getting a handy device that cleans the oxygen you're breathing. The Rosewill True HEPA Air Purifier has an advanced filtration system that can cycle through the air of a large room up to 538 square feet. If you suffer from allergies or you don't get outside often, or you just want to make sure that the air you and your family is breathing is fresh and clean, the Rosewill Air Purifier will do that for you. So, let's get to the good stuff. Let's unbox this! Right here, we have the points for attention. I've never heard of a warning guide being called the points of attention, but this tells you how to avoid electric shock and how to keep safe while using the air purifier. Alright, so here we have the air purifier. Just based on the way it looks, it doesn't look too obtrusive. A lot of the times these sort of functional devices that serve to cool your apartment or your home or purify the air tend to look a little bit bulky and they take the attention away from the interior design. But this one actually looks pretty sleek and I feel like it could be pretty discreet in a corner. Before I dive into the details about this product, I want to say that I actually own an air purifier myself and it's pretty remarkable. I like having it on because it filters out the chemicals I use when I hairspray my hair or bleach my countertops. It gives me a lot of peace of mind knowing that I'm not breathing in as many harmful particles. Let's dive into the Rosewill Air Purifier. It features a 4-stage air purification system. The pre-filter layer removes large materials like hair, fur, and dust. It also protects the HEPA filter from these larger pieces, extending its life. Then there's the antibacterial coating, which contains organic metal salts and antibacterial agents to prevent mold, bacteria, and dust mites from developing. Most importantly, we hit the 3rd layer, the true HEPA filter. This can filter out 99.7% of air particles as small as microns, including pollen. Allergens go there to die. Then, an activated carbon filter removes odors and absorbs harmful substances like gas and smoke. With these 4 filters, you're going to get cleaner, healthier, fresher air. The digital control panel right here lets you customize the settings like wind speeds, sleep timer, and UV modes. On top of that, this air purifier actually looks nice. It has a more modern design, so it doesn't look like something you'd find in a hospital. Tucked in a corner of your home, this filter will do its job without distracting your guests from how beautiful your home is. If you're worried about sound, the Rosewill Air Purifier is only about 56 decibels when it's turned on, which is quieter than a purring cat. Sleeping while the purifier does its work is going to be a breeze. Let's actually turn it on to see how it sounds. Believe it or not, this air purifier is actually on, and it is so quiet. I'm a light sleeper, but this actually seems like it would be relaxing to have on. And then like I mentioned before, this air purifier will cover 538 square feet, so every inch of your bedroom, living room, or kitchen should be covered with clean, purified air. Is it time your game room got a breath of fresh air? I have a feeling like it is, so shop the Rosewill True HEPA Air Purifier at the link below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!